April of Yes to Next. Here's my mom, Aiko.
Hi.
Now we use our shoulders for everything, right? Lifting, right? Reaching for things, pulling things, picking up your fur babies or your grandkids, right?
Hugging.
So, absolutely hugging. Yeah, it's so important. Okay, so we're gonna do a gentle workout to strengthen the shoulders, okay? All right, it's gonna be 5 exercises, and we're gonna do them in 30-second rounds, just to be able to give you enough time to do repetitions, right? So you wanna aim for, 10 reps, 12 reps, but if you can't do that many, that's okay.
That's okay.
You do as many as you can,
That's right.
okay? And you build up over time, okay? Now we're gonna do 2 sets of this workout, but if you only do 1 set, that's okay too. All right, so Mom, any questions or thoughts?
No, let's go. We got to build muscle.
All right, we'll take a quick pause here and get into our warm-up. Come on, want to have a seat?
Oh, thank you very much.
All right, okay, let's just warm it up. Let's give me some nice little open close. Yeah, breathe. Okay, really nice. And one more. And nice. Good. All right, give me some nice little shoulder rolls to the back. Yeah, warm up those shoulders. We're going to be working on strengthening them, all the muscles around your shoulders.
Yeah, very important.
That's right. Your back muscles and even muscles in your arms support your shoulder too. So we'll be doing some of that. Okay, very nice. Breathe. Good, nice. And give me some nice little reaches up. Good. And up. Nice, nice. Good work. And breathe, everybody. Nice work. Okay, very good. Okay, and just give you some nice little up and downs to the side, and up, forward, and to the side, and forward, and to the side. Okay, so our first move is we're gonna have our elbows into our body with the palms up. And I'm gonna be picking up some really light weights here, okay? And all we're doing here is we're gonna rotate out and rotate in. So really rotating our shoulder joint externally and then internally. Okay, we're working our back muscles. We're working even our chest muscles here. Okay.
I'm not using any weights. No.
That's good. Yeah, that's fine. And you can. If you can't use any weights, that's fine. You start where my mom is, not using any weights, because this motion is really good just to start with. Okay, very good. Rest. This is just a rest period. Okay. Give you some nice little rest before you get to our next move. Okay, so if you're seated or standing, I want you to hinge at the hips, keep your back straight. And all we're doing is we're pulling our elbows up and down, okay? Up and down, breathe everyone. Really nice. Okay, good work. Working these back muscles that support your shoulder, but also engaging these arms.
Yep.
Okay, keep it going, looking good.
Keep it going, yep.
And again, I like that my mom's not using any weights because, if you're just starting out, that's a good place to begin. Okay, the shoulder is actually a very delicate joint, so you really want to listen to your body and,
Your body's saying, stop,
right.
stop, go sit down.
That's right. Stop, dump those weights. No way. No way.
That couch looks good.
That's right. Okay, next move, we're gonna have our arms at 90 degrees here. See how my palms are facing in?
Yep.
Palms are facing in. And we're just doing those chicken arms up and down, like buck, 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 right? Buck, 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 up and down.
Buck, buck, buck.
That's right. Okay. Yeah, so don't worry about, the reps here. You do as many as you can. Again, like I said, within this 30-second round, you may be able to do, 10
Yeah, at
or
least
12.
10, 8 or 10.
Yeah, and relax the shoulders, okay? Bring the elbows up, but make sure those shoulders are relaxed. And breathe. Really working, what you call that lateral delt muscle here. Okay, breathe, it's like your shoulder cap. And nice rest. Ooh, shake it out. Shake it out, shake it out. Really nice work. Okay, now, you're seated or standing, I want you to hinge at the hips and notice, I'm starting with my left arm, but this is your right arm. Arm straight, give me a nice fist, okay? And all I want you to do is bring that straight arm back and then forward. Back and forward, notice.
Just one arm at a time?
Just one at a time. One at a time. Really focusing, give me a nice fist, no bend in the elbow. You're really working that muscle back here.
Yeah.
Your rear delt, okay? In a real gentle way. Okay, so just go back as far as you can. really nice. Keep it going. Looking good.
Yeah.
Good, and breathe. Okay, nice work, everyone.
Yeah, you can
okay?
feel it, that's for
Feel
sure.
that, huh? Feel that right in the back of your arm there, okay? So we have to do the same thing on the other side, and I will demonstrate over here so you can see. Okay?
Do the same thing?
Yep, same thing, straight arm. Straight arm, no bend in the elbow.
Okay.
No bend in the elbow. And just back and forward, yes. Don't bend, no bend. No bend in the elbow.
Oh, no bend.
Yes, back and forward. Keep that arm straight. Keep it arm straight. Straight, 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 straight. That's right, keep it straight.
You want me to keep it straight?
Yes. I saw you bend it. I was like, wait, whoa, 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 lady. Whoa, hold it up.
I think she wants me to keep it straight.
That's right. I don't want to see a you know what. No. No bending. Breathe.
I get it. I get the message.
Got it?
Yeah.
Loud and clear?
Yeah.
Good. I love to hear that.
Something
Breathe.
tells me you want it straight.
All right. Really nice. Okay, breathe. I don't know about you, but I am really feeling it.
Yeah, well, so am I.
Huh?
Well, I don't have any weights either.
That's great. Okay. This is last move, but we're going to do this whole set again. Okay, everyone, sit tall, stand tall. Okay? Just bringing it up and down. Okay?
Both arms?
Yep. Up and down. Now, you're going to have to really engage that core to not sway, right? Breathe. And breathe. And if you need to alternate, you can. That makes it a little easier, okay? You can do this.
Yeah.
But if you want some challenge, bring them both up. Okay. But at any time, you can go back to alternating or resting.
I think next time I'll use weights, light weights.
Yeah? Okay, I love to hear that. Okay, rest. We have a 30-second rest period here. Whew. Okay, if you want to use weights, you can. Breathe. Shake it out. Shake it out, shake it out. Did you want not to use weights? Okay. Shake it out, shake it out. Another 15 seconds. Okay, we're going back into that internal, external rotation, yeah? Okay, so palms up, Mom. Okay, palms up, elbows into the sides, right? 90 degrees. And we're gonna rotate out and in. You can even have the weights touch, okay? That's good.
I'm using 2-pound weights.
Very good.
Do they have 1-pound weights?
They sure do.
Oh, yeah? Oh.
There are 1-pound weights. In fact, you can even just use water bottles, or if you can hold little cans, or even like bags of beans are really good too, because
it's easy to hold.
they're real easy to hold, especially for these kind of moves, okay?
And it's protein.
That's right. Maybe you'll get protein by osmosis, right? Breathe, okay, whoo, rest. If you're standing or whatever, you're holding these weights, that's good too, okay? Okay, I'm giving you an option on the next one. You can either do double rows or single alternate, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna do them double,
Okay.
okay? Oh, yeah, so yeah, back straight, head up, right? Core and, let's bring them up and down. Bring those elbows up, yes. Really feel those shoulder blades coming together, okay?
Yeah.
That's what I want you to feel. Just like you have like a little marble between your two shoulder blades.
Yeah.
Work that back muscle. Okay, very good. Here are muscles, scapula that support that shoulder. Okay, so keep it going. You're looking really good. And breathe, everyone. And rest. Ooh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay.
Good.
Take a breath, everyone. Okay, if you need to take a sip of water, you can do that too.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, now next movement, 90-degree arms, palms facing in. Okay, 90-degree arms, palms facing in, right? And all we're doing is we're bringing those elbows up to shoulder level and down. Keep those, shoulder level and down. Chicken arms. Bark, bark, right? Yes. And down. Oh, yes.
Chickens. Why do they call it chickens? How come it couldn't be turkey arms or
Okay, you can call them
eagle
turkey arms.
or pork turkey, pork chicken? Just a thought, folks. I'm just buzzing here.
I love to hear those gray cells moving. That's awesome. That is awesome. That is, well, it's like the chicken dance, right? That's part of it too, right?
That's true.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now this is going to be a challenge, especially with the weight.
Okay.
Okay? Remember, we're going to hinge at the hips. Again, straight back.
Yeah.
Straight arm now.
Right.
Okay? And pull it back. That's it. I'm going to go with you this time. Okay? Just one arm.
One arm.
Okay?
Okay.
You can do whatever you want with that other arm. I like that you're holding on to it like that. Okay? Good. So everybody, here's what we're doing here. Okay? So if you're standing with me or seated, I just want you to hinge slightly, but you notice that my back is straight. Okay? I'm not rounding my back. And that arm is straight. It's going straight back and forth. Okay, very good. Breathe. Good work. You're looking good, Mom. And breathe.
Yeah, you can really feel that, man.
I like what I'm seeing here. Oh, yes. And the fact that you're holding that other weight, you're challenging yourself too. Rest, breathe. Okay, nice work. We have to do the other arm. Okay, we're coming into the home stretch here. Whew.
We're going to do the other side?
Yes, we are. Okay, so you're going to have your feet planted flat. You're hinging at the hips.
Yep.
Right? And you're bringing that arm straight back.
Okay.
Everything's tight. Yep, don't bend the elbow. Good. Nice. This is 3. Good. 4. No swinging, okay? Don't swing it. I really want you to control the weight as it comes down. Okay, it really engages those muscles. Breathe. Because if I swing, I might be hitting my mom in the head, which I do not want to do.
You better not. I know you have frustrations and getting even.
No. Not on you. Breathe. Okay, nice work. Hey, we're going into our last move. And this time we're going to alternate.
Okay.
Or you can do double if you want.
Okay.
But I'm gonna sit. You're gonna stand tall, sit tall, engage this core. You really gotta fight the momentum here. Okay, up and down, up and down. Yes, good. And breathe. You feel that?
Yeah. Whew. You feel it with the weights.
Oh
it's
yes.
It's good.
It's good. And
It's a lot of work getting strong, building muscle.
That's right, and it happens over time. Okay, so. You build strength gradually.
Yeah.
It's a little bit every day, but by staying consistent, you will build muscle.
I mean, if I went to sleep weak, I would
rest,
get up
weights down.
I'd get up with muscles.
Well, it may not happen that fast, but but if you're feeling a little sore, that means that you're building
You work
muscle.
your muscle,
Yes,
right?
yes. Okay, give me some nice little big circles. Okay, good, nice work. Good. Nice shoulder work, everybody. Yeah. Excellent work. Okay, good. This time I want you to bring that arms in a T, and let's do that arm straight across the chest. You did a lot of shoulder and upper arm work here. Okay, good work. Breathe. Take a breath. Okay, nice work. And arms in a T again. And other arm straight across. Good. Feel that nice stretch here. Good work. Very nice. And come on down, and let's give me that nice little side stretch. Arm up, reach, reach, reach. You can even look at your hand. Oh, this feels so good. Breathe. And come on down. Other side. Reach, reach, reach. Good. That's good. Really nice. Okay. Give me a nice open close with the arms, okay? Open. Close. Inhale and exhale. One more. Inhale and exhale. Very nice. Give me 3 inhale exhales. Top, inhale and exhale. No clap at the top. Just inhale and exhale. Nice. And inhale and exhale. Very nice. Excellent work on this gentle shoulder workout. We really enjoyed getting stronger with you. So thank you so much for joining us. If you like this video, please give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. It's always a joy to help you get stronger, and we look forward to seeing you real soon. So in the meantime, keep moving and building muscle.
See you soon.